Okay, so today is Tuesday, May 7th, 2024, and I haven't done a startup and shutdown of this unit in a while. Last time I did a startup and shutdown of it was in heating mode, so now I'm going to do one in cooling mode. That one's running, so, and I've actually done a good setup, which is the main reason why I want to do this. So, I'm going to put the camera down. I'm gonna go fire it up. Oh wait. Start it up. And this one has. Anyways, here's my Linux. It has not been working really well for some reason. It won't turn on, as you can see. Yeah, this one has an LG skull compressor. And the section line is ice cold and sweaty. I'll just show this one. It's also very cold and sweaty. So now I'm gonna plug this real quick. Oh well, I'm not gonna do it. I thought that would shut off. That's when I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna shut it off. There we go. Fell off. Alright, that's okay. I'll just set it back up. Oh, that one just shut off. Well, guess I'll do that to this one too. I am gonna get a stop and shut down the other one. Good. That's to stay this time. This is compressor. OG school. So they were the first summer startup and shut down my upstairs Trane XR system. I just did a running video of it on Thursday. I'll try to get this one shutting down sometime. I'm just gonna do the same setup. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And over and out.